I guess to receive this LED stadium light for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. So let me take it out of the box. Okay, as you can see, it comes very well protected with lots of foam. Okay, and this film. Take it out. Just box it in here. Let's it this. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it's really nice. It has this cooling and heat dissipation system, which I think it's perfect, so it doesn't overheat when you're using it. And you get LED to adjust the movement on the side. Okay. So I think it's nice that you get all the things you need. And lastly, we've got the measurement. Okay. Its maximum power consumption is of 240 watts, which I think it's nice. It's perfect, and it's white LEDs. Okay. We got all the different options on how to install it. I'll be placing it outside. So let's go and let's get install it and see how it works. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already connected. It's very bright, as you can see, and it's perfect to place it outside your house, in your garage, wherever you want to place it. I think it's a really nice float LED, and I would recommend it. See you.